Ever sit down with the best intention, ready to tackle your day, and within the hour, you crash? The motivation's gone, you're staring at your planner or to-do list wondering, why can't I just get things done? You start the day with energy, but somehow end up foggy, tired, overwhelmed, maybe even teary for no clear reason. It's not that you're unmotivated, it's that something deeper is happening. And if you've been feeling this too, you're not alone. I've been there, I am there, like right now, and today I want to help you. Now, when I turned 50 earlier this year, something changed. My energy dipped. My brain felt foggy. Tasks I used to power through now felt heavy. One day I'd be full of ideas and optimism, and the next I couldn't get out of bed. It was like my energy had a mind of its own. Part of it, I learned my vitamin D levels were extremely low. And yes, I'm also moving into perimenopause, but I was barely getting outside, not moving my body, and just felt low. If that sounds familiar, please get yourself checked by a doctor. Sometimes it's not a mindset thing, it's a medical one. We need to rule that out first. Now, thankfully, I did all my checks. Breast screening, pap smear, bowel screening, all clear. But that sense of I don't feel like myself anymore, that's real. And we still have to move through our days, even when we don't have the energy to. So what do we do on the days when energy is low, but life keeps moving? We make a gentler plan. Not a big reset, not a new system, just the kindest, lightest version of our day. One that meets us exactly where we are, not where we wish we were. Now imagine your energy is like your phone battery. You're on 5%. Now you wouldn't open all your apps, watch videos, and scroll endlessly, right? You'd dim the screen, shut everything down, and do only what's necessary. That's how we should be planning on low energy days, and this will make a big difference. Now, if you're looking for a full reset where you brain dump, make a weekly task list, and block out your days, I walk you through that in my Planner First Aid Reset Kit video. You'll find it linked in the description below. But if that still feels like too much today, let's start here with something simpler. Now, on days when you have no energy and everything feels like too much, this is what I want you to do. It's a 3-part daily rhythm. 1, ask yourself, what's one thing I absolutely need to do today? Pay a bill, answer a key email, even put on laundry. Second thing, ask yourself, what's one way I can recharge my energy? A nap, a warm drink, a breath of fresh air, something just for you. And finally, one tiny win. What's one tiny win I can finish for a small sense of progress? Something that gives you a sense of completion. Maybe making the bed, emptying a trash bag, drinking water. This is your gentle rhythm. And yes, it still counts as planning. It's not about productivity, it's about stability. Just enough structure to support you, not stress you. If you've been asking, why can't I get anything done lately? You're not lazy, you're not failing, you're simply tired, overwhelmed, and possibly carrying more than you should alone. Start with this simple 3-part rhythm today. I hope this gave you both relief and a plan. You don't need to push harder, you just need a new rhythm, a kind one, a gentle one. And when you're ready, then you can either get back to your typical planning routine where you have the energy and motivation to make your planning pretty again, or just keep to the basic of the Planner First Aid Reset Kit. I've got you, and if you need a little motivation, let's connect in the comment section. Come back to this video and let me know a win, big or small. You've got this.